Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare LM Studio and Ollama. LM Studio and Ollama are local AI model platforms but differ in focus and usability. LM Studio is a local AI model runner that emphasizes flexibility and supporting a wide range of GGUF models. It offers a sleek UI for both Windows and Mac OS, making it user-friendly for non-developers. Modeling, downloading, and prompt testing are streamlined in-app with customizable settings for contexts and threads. It supports Mistral, LLMA, and more, ideal for offline chat, coding, or experimentation. Some users note it lacks advanced prompt chaining or plugging support out of the box. On the other hand, Ollama is a command-line-first local AI tool focused on simplicity and speed, ideal for developers. It allows quick model runs like LLMA3 Mistral with just one terminal command. The default server setup enables integration with apps like LangChain and WebULS. It prioritizes ease of use with sensible defaults but offers fewer GUI features. It is best for coders who want fast access to local models without too many bells and whistles. In my opinion, LM Studio is ideal for users who prefer a visual interface, while Ollama is best for those who favor terminal-based workflows. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.